This is me. Puppies are cute. Me and we're gonna be playing this. Where is it?
Yeah, guys, we're gonna be playing Subway Surf.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. Boy, skinny.
Jacob said that. Subscribe to Jacob and me and Brayden. Or
BN and no, it's basketball 10905.
oh,
And my channel's Jacob's Game channel
1928. Oh yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and enjoy.
No.
Why is it laggy?
I know, it's so laggy.
It's always like that?
Put on good stuff. Oh shoot!
Wow.
Oh no!
Oh, you need buy keys.
No, buy real money. Oh, I want to show them. No! Me. Oh, this is the new one.
New?
Wait. I think I can get this girl. Where is she? She's gone? Or Tasha? It's Tasha. I think I could get her. Nope. Where is she? Oh, she's gone.
You have only like 7,000 coins on there.
7,000.
Ugly old ads.
I ain't doing no ads. Actually, ads.
Okay, so yeah.
Yeah.
How many rounds do you want to do? Because
Rounds?
we gotta go to bed.
3.
3 more?
Yeah.
I would say like 2 more.
2 more? Or yeah, okay.
Or maybe just 1 more round.
No, 3. Because they like to watch the basketball game.
Oh, now it's getting fast now.
Yeah, I love when it gets so fast. Bye, Choo-Choo Train. See you later, Poke. Hey, yeah. Jumping up and down. Hey, yeah. Dun, dun. So laggy. Minecraft PE. The next time when I make another video, I'm going to do Minecraft PE.
Molly,
This is just too laggy. I swiped to there and I would have won. So, yeah. Let's do two more rounds. Oh, yeah.
I guess, because we gotta go to bed. Like, right after.
Like right now, it's 9 o'clock. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock.
Gotta go to bed at school.
9 o'clock.
Hey guys, at least it's gonna be Friday tomorrow. You can keep watching Puggies Are Cute videos. As you're wondering, we haven't made videos in a long time. Sorry about that. We were just busy. My sister, she oh my gosh, she just wanted a break from YouTubing videos. That's why she haven't made videos in a long time. She just wants to take a break of making videos. Right, Lally?
Yeah. I want to come in Josh's room that way with you. And hear you.
Okay, this is the last round. One more round. If you die,
One
then...
more?
Yeah, this is the last
No, 2, 1 more. Yeah, 1 more. Son, and then I'll get a, something up here. It's going to show. Yes, look what it's going to show up here. Wait.
I'm looking.
Yes.
Oh, not here.
Now it's time for
Okay.
this. Wait.
Okay. So guys,
Aw,
that's what we got. So Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more Puggies Are Cute videos. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe for more, and see you all later. Bye-bye.